Have you ever wondered how to jar, can, or preserve? I'm going to show you how to make my bourbon green beans. We're going to pickle them in bourbon. So what we have is a 250 degree oven. Go in the oven. 35 minutes, 250 degrees until the jar is cooked, hot, and sterilized. Then you want to make your pickling brine. We are going to pickle them in bourbon. What? This is bourbon. We're going to pickle them in bourbon. Sugar. Bourbon. Oh, that is bourbon. This is vinegar. Brown mustard seeds go in. Cumin.
Yellow mustard seeds.
Thank you, Calvin.
Red pepper flakes. Oriental.
Garlic, about 5 or 6. Bay leaves, about 2. Stir. You want to stir because you do not want the sugar to scald on the bottom of the pan. So what you want to do is let this come to a boil. Calvin's going to grab the jars that have been in the oven for 35 minutes. Now, I like to take green beans that are already cleaned from a packet. You want to go about 2/3 of the way. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. And put a couple garlic cloves in there, which are really delicious. Put them in the oven for 250 degrees for another 15 to 20 minutes. Then the ones I did 2 months ago are super... Oh, damn, listen to the pop. Oh, random people just show up.
I like the bourbon. Don't drive after this.
You should make them, preserve them, can them, do whatever you want. Just make them. Just preserve them, just can them, just do it.